Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to track credit card spendings with Nerdwallet. Keeping an eye on your credit card spending is key to building strong financial habits. Nerdwallet offers tools that make it easier to stay on top of your expenses and avoid going over budget. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to track your credit card spendings using Nerdwallet's features. Let's get into it. So to start, all you gotta do is log into your Nerdwallet account. Head over to nerdwallet.com, and if you haven't already, you want to link your credit card accounts by navigating to the linked account section from your dashboard. This allows Nerdwallet to automatically pull in your spending data from your connected cards. Once your cards are linked, go back to your main dashboard. Here you're gonna find a spending summary section. This displays your recent transactions categorized into common groups like dining, groceries, transportations, and more. Click on the View All Transaction link to open the full transaction history. Nerdwallet automatically assigns categories for each purchase, but you can manually change them if something looks a bit off. This helps you to get an accurate view of exactly where your money is going. To see trends over time, click into the Spendings or Trends tab. You're going to be able to compare how much you spent in each category month by month. This is especially useful if you're trying to reduce spendings in certain areas. If you've set a monthly budget in Nerdwallet, you can also view how your credit card spending stacks up against your budget limits. This platform will alert you when you're approaching or exceeding your budget limits in any of these categories. If you want to narrow things down further, use filters to isolate specific cards or time ranges. For example, you can view only your travel credit card spendings for the past 3 months. Nerdwallet gives you a clear, real-time picture of your credit card spendings, no spreadsheet, no guesswork required. Whether you're budgeting for a big purchase or simply trying to avoid debt, tracking your spending is a smart first step. Stay aware, stay accountable, and let your money work smarter for you. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.